Come on. Well, it's middle of April here now in Newfoundland, and it's the first decent day we've had now for a while. The weather's been pretty bad lately. It's been cold and rain and snow and everything else. But we got a pretty decent day here today, so I figured I'd put the boat off. I got the 2 dogs here with me. First time I had the boat off yet this year, and yeah, just figured I'd go for a little ride, do some exploring around these coves and stuff here, and we're going to find a place now in a little bit to have a little fire here on the beach and boil a kettle, have a little lunch, and just spend the day out exploring around these coves. So that's the plan for today. So hope you enjoy the video. Come on, Molly, up. Come on, good girl. Come on, good girl. Yeah, so just out for a little walk on this beach now. Man, it's a beautiful morning. Light winds. Actually fairly mild for a change. Tide is real low now. So yeah, boat's right over there. Just got her hauled up on the beach. Tide's starting to rise now, so she should still be floating when I get back. Yeah, just a beauty morning to be outside. So this is a little cove here where I do some moose hunting in fall. So I just figured I'd walk over now and just have a look around, see if there's any fresh sign around or whatever. I should get a license this fall, so this is probably one of the spots I'll come first, look for a moose. Yeah, I actually shot one here probably about 3 years ago now, I guess. Right in here somewhere, I believe. Yeah, still got the stick still there where I had it hung up to skin it. I think it was back through here where the moose ended up. Oh yeah, you can see the skull now. Yeah, skull is still there. Part of it anyways. What is it, Goose? Hey, what is it? Yeah, good little spot here to hunt. And that's mainly because the only way to get back here is by boat, pretty much. And it's not far from my cabin, so it doesn't take me long to get out there. And yeah, I find these days if you can't get there by truck, most people don't bother with it. So that's good for people like me who prefer to hunt in places like this where you don't normally see anybody else hunting. I don't think I've ever seen anyone else standing around here while I've been moose hunting. So I know there are a couple other guys who do come here sometimes, but very rare to see anyone else down here moose hunting. This little cove here is used as a mussel farming area, and you know, I'm all for local businesses and supporting the aquaculture and stuff like that. Makes jobs, creates jobs locally or whatever, but man, those guys leave so much mess around, it's crazy. You see all these boys here all just washed up. The ice takes them, I guess, and washes them ashore, and they're everywhere. It's ridiculous that they're allowed to get away with not cleaning this stuff up. You know, instead of picking any of this garbage up, they'll just go get new ones in the spring and set them back out. You can see they got some out in the water way out there, but yeah, create so much garbage and stuff on the beaches and in the woods and stuff. It's too bad that there's not stricter rules for these guys for cleaning up their mess that's left behind. But anyways, it's been like it for as long as I can remember, so I don't know if it'll ever change. Well, back in the boat here now, and I'm gonna head down in this little cove here. There's a little brook that runs out there, and I'm gonna try for sea trout and have a few casts. But I'm not really expecting to get anything, but you never know your luck. So I got the rod there, so I'm gonna have a few casts and see if I can't lock into a sea trout. Well, no luck with the fish. Just had a few casts there. I wasn't really expecting to catch much, but anyways, starting to get hungry now. It's getting close to lunchtime, so I think I'm going to find a nice little beach now to pull into and get a fire going, cook up some lunch, and have a coffee. Somebody's sleepy. So, just got some leftover chili that I had home in the fridge. So, I figured I'd take that. Nice, quick, easy meal. So, just gonna warm that up now on the fire, and got some water going in here for some coffee after. So, that shouldn't take too long there now. But in the meantime, I'm gonna sit back in the chair here and enjoy a cold beer while I'm waiting. Well, lunch is all gone. Chili was good, so just gonna have a cup of coffee here now. Well, we're all packed up, ready to head out here. Goose is ready to go. Getting in. Come on. So, anyways, it was a beautiful day to get out and have a little lunch, a little boil up, and just enjoy the nice weather for a change. So, that's about it for this video, I guess. We're going to head out and we'll see you next time.